Alright, let's see. For this question, it's having us use the kinetic energy equation. And we know kinetic energy is half the mass times the velocity squared. The change here is that they're giving us the kinetic energy. So we know K in this case. And they're giving us the mass. So we know M. So our unknown in this situation, what we're looking for, what we're trying to find is the velocity, the speed. So we're going to move around our equation. Velocity is equal to the square root, and that's going to be 2 times the kinetic energy divided by the mass. Make sure you're taking the square root of everything. Alright, so let me fill in my numbers. 2 times, this is 1 times 10 to the 9th, or 1e to the 9th power, divided by 6.4, and that is to an exponent of 4. Alright, so if we go ahead and throw that in the calculator, what it will spit out is 176.8. And that'll be our answer.